If you want to change your ringtone on Android phone but don't know how, here's how to download and set cool ringtones. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now here in your search bar, tap on it. Tap on your search bar and we gotta find our phone ringtone app or free ringtones. So let's dial free ringtones. Right, and now you can choose within any application which you will like. For example, let's choose this one. Let's press install and let's give it some time to be installed. Now simply press open, press consent and give all the necessary permissions if there will be any. Press continue. Now this is just an advertisement, so you can skip it by pressing on the cross. You will be prompted to buy some premium, but press on the cross once again. Keep in mind that here you will get some advertisement because this is a free application. However, if you don't want to get any advertisement, you can always buy a premium version of it. So now let's choose ringtones. We'll be prompted whether we want to get notifications or no. I'll press don't allow because they don't really matter. And here you can go through the list of the different ringtones when it's just an advertisement. So for example, let's choose some classical music. Let's listen to this one. Great. Now let's press on the arrow near it. And let's press set a ringtone. Also, we have an option to set it as an alarm, as a notification sound, as contact ringtone, and just as a ringtone. So let's choose just as a ringtone. So once again, we have some ads, whether to set it with premium or with free. So let's press free. Now we have to watch an ad. Right, after we finished watching our advertisement, we will be prompted to change the system setting and allow this app to set the ringtone. So press allow, tap on the switch here, now go back, and basically that's it. Now we can check it out. So let's go to our settings. Let's open up our sound and vibration tab and find our ringtone, and as you can see right here, that Symphony number 9 is set. And now if we're getting a call, let me bring the sound back and let's get a call and listen to our ringtone. Right, works perfectly, and basically that's it. Alternative method of doing this is through the website called Pixabay. So open up your Google or basically any browser, choose your Pixabay, so search for it. Now open up this website. So here you have a lot of music, photos, illustrations, GIFs, videos, any media you can imagine, and all royalty free and all without any kind of copyright. So let's choose music. Now here you can find a lot of music. You can search for some, you can see for trending. All right, so for example, let's choose this one. Press on download icon. Now your file is getting downloaded. So it's downloaded, great. So to set it up, let's go back to our settings. Let's find our sound and vibration tab, our ringtone tab, tap on the plus here, and here you'll find your downloaded file. You can also, if you cannot find it right here, you can press on folders, at the bottom choose a download, and here you'll find your file. So simply tap on it. Now press done at the top right corner, and let's try getting a call. All right, let's try it again. Maybe it wasn't applied yet. Yeah, now we're getting a new call. And basically, that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.